Today I'm going to show you how to hide your channel, not delete your channel on YouTube if you need to for whatever reason. Maybe you're going on hiatus and you don't want comments or messages or emails or notifications from YouTube. It's actually really easy. You just go up to the top right hand corner and you click on Settings, and then you go to Advanced Settings, and then you go to Delete Channel. And then here it says I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. Well, we're not deleting it, so we'll go to Hide Channel. And then we put a check mark in all of these boxes. And then click Hide Channel. And then Hide My Content. And there you go. Your channel is now hidden. And I'll just quickly show you that it is hidden. So we'll go to another tab here. And we'll type in the channel. And as you can see, we're getting a 404 not found. The page isn't available. Sorry about that. Try searching for something else. And that's how you hide your channel. Now, to reverse the process, to show your channel again, you have to go into YouTube. And then you click on Settings again. Advanced Settings, and then you want to copy this. It'll be important that you copy your user ID, and then you go to Account and then Create Channel, and you just have to type your name here. And here under Handle, you don't want the handle that it automatically generates that ID that we just copied a few seconds ago. You want to put it here, so I've highlighted their pre-generated handle. And then you click Control V if you've already copied it, and that'll paste it. And as you can see, it's a green check mark. And then you just go Create Channel. And it says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So you just have to wait. I didn't have to wait for very long. See, it's already back. So that's how you hide and unhide your channel, not to be confused with deleting your channel. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.